In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 5% ROI and above in daily passive income. What I think I'm about to show you is going to blow your socks off. It's real. Your funds are in your control. You don't have to send them to some scammy website that are going to guarantee you 2% or 3% or 4% a day, which only turn out to be Ponzi schemes where you lose your money. I'm going to show you how you could possibly get 5% and above where your funds are inside your wallet all the time. Let's head over to my laptop. I'm about to blow your mind. So this new trend screen I think is going to be amazing. Look at this token here, okay? So this has earned 11.63% in the last 24 hours. Now what I did was I went and created a new bot by clicking on this plus sign. You see I've got two bots now that are active because this means active bots, not archive bots. So I clicked on this plus sign and created a new bot. I edited the settings. Now look, when I started this bot, the 26th of March, and if you look there, it says 12:05:57 was when it was created. And if we look in the top here, that's 12:22. So that's 17 minutes ago. And this bot's already done 2 profitable trades. I'm only trading with $100 and it's made 1.3%. So I'm going to be trying to focus on getting around 5% a day from my trading bots. And I think that will be mind-blowing. And that tool here, I think, is the doorway to it, because you'll be able to see what your bots are doing and you'll be able to create more of those bots and drop the lower bots. You know, if I come down here, look, I've got Beam only 30. I mean, it's still brilliant ROI, isn't it? But look what it was for the month. This is the month, look, for here, 55%. But then recently it's been dropping down. So when I come up here, I'm going to see if I can use this data to create more bots that are profitable for me to get my daily ROI up. I want to get my ROI up to 5 or even above 5% a day with my trading funds. And I think this new My Trends tool is going to give me the ability to do that. So look, fast forwarding now 24 hours using this tool. If we look, when I started that bot in the beginning of the video, it was at 1.3155%. And that was after literally 17 minutes. But now we've gone roughly about 24 hours. So let's put in the ROI now. So we've got 15.31. So let's put in that 15.3125. And I'm going to minus that 1.3% over here. 1.355 equals that. So that's 14% that this bot's generated in the last 24 hours. Now, I would not have known about this token had I not been using My Trends, because what I'm going to start to do is to set up some bots with small amounts, you know, like $20, see what they do, split test them, put them all on $20, see what they do. And then once I can identify bots that have got a regular pattern of getting me above 5% a day, I mean, this one's getting me 14% a day. And then what I'm going to do is create another bot with the same trading pair, like this feet, for example, but do higher lot sizes. So this one's doing for $100. And if I look at this one's doing for $50. Now, this one, look, 96%, but I did start that on the 1st of March. So still brilliant because we're only on the 27th of March. But I went in and edited the settings on the 24th of March, because what happened with this bot is the price dropped. And because I'd only had 2 lots in there, the bot couldn't do anything. So I added another lot on the bottom. It started to trade again. It got out of debt. And as you can see now, it's got back to just 1 lot. And then I've gone back in and edited it and put it back to 2 lots, lot 0 and lot 1. But to get it, when it was stuck there, when it was stagnant, I had to put another lot on the bottom so it could trade itself out of debt. Now, once it started doing that, I started to see that this bot was coming up in the rankings. Going to monitor this data to see what tokens stay in the top 3. I want to be looking at the top 3 tokens. So far, this one's doing really well for me. Obviously, you know, it's not financial advice and you should always do your own due diligence. But that's a strategy. I'm going to make sure I get full advantage of this tool, because when you come to these trends, this doesn't really give you a true picture, does it? Because this is everybody's bot. I think that this new tool is going to open up the possibility to get 5% a day or more on a regular basis. And if you can get 5% a day where you have full control over your funds, you don't have to send it to another third-party website that are guaranteeing you they're going to give you 5% or 3% or 2%. If you can get 5% a day using Johnny blockchain, I think that's going to be mind-blowing. Even 1% a day would be mind-blowing, but I'm going to try and get to the stage where I can get 5% and above. I hope you see the power of this My Trends tool and what it can do for your passive income. Setting up some bots with $20 to test it, get some split testing going, and then you'll be able to get a pattern of what's giving you the best returns. Now, if you want to create your own trading robot, below this video you're going to find a link. It's going to take you over to Johnny blockchain. You can either use it with a MetaMask wallet and PancakeSwap or Uniswap, or you can set it up with Binance.com and Binance US. You've got decentralized trading or centralized trading. Your funds stay inside your wallets all the time. So if you're using the decentralized, your funds stay inside your MetaMask. If you're using the centralized on Binance, then your funds stay inside your Binance account. You don't have to send your funds to this platform to do the trading for you. You can create a free account by clicking on sign up or register, and if you look down the bottom here, you'll see that we've got 105,000 in passive income for the members so far. You'll also see that there's over $7,000 paid in affiliate commissions. It's also got affiliate program, 98.4% of profitable trades, 0.5% are bought back, broke even basically, and then we've got 1.1% of negative trades, means that they made a loss, but 98.4% of positive trades. Absolutely mind-blowing system. It really works. It does what it says on the tin. It's a trading robot that works with PancakeSwap, Uniswap and Binance.com or Binance.us. Create your free account. Click on any of these buttons, sign up or register. It's going to bring you here. Pop your name, your email address, password, put some ticks in these boxes. Click on this box here to say complete my sign up. You can have a look round, and when you're ready to get started, if you want to set up a decentralized trading robot, it's going to cost you $25 a year to set up as many trading robots as you like. If you want to set up a centralized trading robot with Binance, it's going to cost you another $25 a year, and you can set up as many robots as you like. So if you want to set up both decentralized and centralized trading robots, it's just $50 a year for as many trading robots as you like. Click the link below, come and create your free account, and happy trading.